Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get an Airalo international eSIM on iPhone. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all you just have to open up your internet browser and search for Airalo on google.com. So just go to google.com like this. I had to search for Airalo. Airalo eSIM or just SIM. Yeah, then just click on this link, and here you just have to create an account, or you can alternatively also download the application from the iOS or Google Play Store. So just click on profile and create an account, and then just buy an eSIM from their website, and then you just have to click on my eSIMs and copy all the information from here, and then you have to go to the settings on your iPhone, go to cellular, click on setup cellular, then select eSIM, and then you can either scan your eSIM or put the details from this website manually on your iPhone. So this is how you get an Airalo international SIM on your iPhone. If you found this video to be helpful guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.